Hello and welcome to How to Helen. This is a 2018 Honda Civic. The owner just moved here from Georgia. Now, when she registered her vehicle, she didn't know that New York has a two-plate state policy. So we need to install front plates on her vehicle. Now, the OEM holes on the bumper is stock for front brackets and it doesn't align with the holes on the plates. So we need to install front brackets first. Now, the OEM brackets for this vehicle from the dealer is $50, which is a bit too much. So we bought aftermarket front brackets on eBay for just $12. Let's see if they would fit. Here are the OEM holes on the front bumper. And as you can see, it does not match or align with the holes on the plate. It is somewhat off. So the best thing to do is install the aftermarket bracket first, find a combination. Then we can install the plate on the bracket. And the nice thing about this bracket is it came with its own aftermarket hardware or screws. So let's install the bracket first. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to install the screws. Alright, so find the combination. One is on the inner slot and one's on the outer slot. That's the combination I found that works for me. And screw in the screw. Right, that's one. There's the second one. And here are the screws for the plates going to the bracket. Now let's install the plate on the bracket. And if you're asking why do I have blue tape over the plate number, it's just for privacy. See, I don't want to put the plate number of this vehicle on camera. And of course, I'll take it off later. And there you have it, we're done. And that is how to install front aftermarket bracket plate on this 2008 Honda Civic. This has been another episode of How to Helen. My name's Jeff, and thank you for watching.